Rosa Alfredo pasta sauce review by Cucina Antica. Cucina Antica Rosa Alfredo pasta sauce review. Pause the video for nutrition facts. Show you what the inside looks like. It looks really good. That's why I picked this sauce, because it looked really, really good. For this test, we're gonna use Rayo's linguine. We're gonna add the pasta and cook it for 12 minutes. We are looking good. Look at that. Beautiful. Here we go. Ooh, looks good. Look at that. Looks so good. Cucina Antica Rosa Alfredo. That's the sauce. Add the pasta. Gonna mix the pasta. Beautiful. Hit it with some more cheese. Oh yeah, that looks good. Gonna transfer this to the plate. There it is. Even more cheese. Here we go. Here we go, guys. This is our lunch for today. And it looks good, smells good. Let's try it. Alright, it's a beautiful day here in Las Vegas today. Time for some lunch though. Got this Rosa Alfredo sauce. Never tried this company before. Cucina Antica. They say that the sauce is made in Italy, so it looks good. I'm a fan of heavy sauces, so let's take a bite. Yeah, it's really good. Oh wow. Oh wow. The cheesiness of the sauce really comes through. And it's delicious. It is delicious. Like, it's so good, I'm gonna try it. Whatever other kinds of sauce they make. Outstanding. I don't even have to go any further and waste your time. This sauce is 10 out of 10. If you like creamy Alfredo sauces or creamy tomato sauces, buy this sauce. You won't regret it. What is this? Cucina Antica Rosa Alfredo pasta sauce, 10 out of 10. See you guys at the next review. Bye.